Hey everyone. Okay, so we're going to be starting planting here soon. I told you there in my first vlog that we're going to be starting in February, and so now we started. We've gotten the whole place plowed here. We got our neighbor to come and help us here plant, and my daddy's actually on the other tractor. I'm not sure if you can see over there. He's just finishing up the plowing. Had some difficulties with that, but yeah, I couldn't record earlier just because I was busy with when we were getting the planter down here. There was some complications, but we got it to the field here, and we're just working here on it. So there it is, close up there. The guys, they're working on tightening up the spring. So we started here. We're just gonna be doing a test here, a test run. It's already 6:10, so it'll be getting dark real quick, within 30 minutes to an hour or so, and then already stop for the night and hopefully start early tomorrow morning. Here we are trying to do the measuring of the seeds, see if it is putting seeds in the ground at the right length, and I think it's putting in half of what it's meant to be putting in. So we're gonna have to fix that. So I'm not sure if we're going to be able to plant as much as we wanted to tonight. But again, tonight was just meant to be our test run. So what we're doing is we're putting in one kernel of corn for every four kernels of corn for every 1 meter of distance. So got my tape measure, taking some snacks to the ones who are helping us, and we'll be right back to work.
So as you guys can see here, we didn't get very far, and that was as we had only found out the next day from a vacuum seal that had broken. So we continued on till dark, stopping every little bit to try adjusting the seed spacing, then stopped for the night and started early the next morning.
Starting work just now. Getting everything ready to start planting. So what we're doing now is we're getting ready here and measuring everything. Making sure seeds are getting dropped in at the right distance. And so it's kind of that. We go a little ways, stop, measure, go a little ways, stop, and measure. So it's kind of going slow, but we've already gotten, I hope you can see the distance here, or see where we have already planted. But we've already gotten this side, this area here planted. That is still there plowing on the other tractor there. Okay, so we're done the day of work here. So yeah, the planter's just now leaving right now. He's just crossing to be able to get on the road, just crossing the little field we planted. I'm so glad we finished because there's some good thunderstorm. Looks like it's coming. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I guess I'll catch you in the next one.